Start with a magic circle. And chain 3. Now make 7 treble crochets into this ring. Yarn over twice. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2. Pull through the next 2. And finally the last 2. That's 1 treble crochet made. Now make 6 more treble crochets. Chain 3 picot, chain 3, and make a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. Insert a hook into both the loops and make a slip stitch. Now make 9 treble crochets into this ring. That's total 16 treble crochets. Once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap and make a slip stitch on top of this first treble crochet, this one. Chain 2 and 2 treble crochets into the same stitch. Yarn over twice, pull up a loop, pull through 2, the next 2, and finally the last 2. Now make 1 more treble crochet into the same stitch. Two treble crochets into the next stitch. Chain 7. One half double crochet into the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. This one. 1 double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. And 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Make a slip stitch into this bottom stitch and insert a hook into both the loops. Now repeat this for the second year. Chain 7. 1 half double crochet into the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. This one. 1 double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. One half double crochet into the next stitch. And finally 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Now to finish off, make a slip stitch on top of this treble crochet from round number 1, this one, and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.